Hi guys, in this short tutorial I would like to show you the new feature of the Kroscloud platform, image points of interest. You can use the image points of interest to add photos or any other 2D graphics to your scenes. When user clicks on such a point, the image will be displayed as an overlay over your 3D or panoramic scene. And as you can see, also the camera position has been updated to align with the image approximately. Now let's take a look at how to add the image points to your scene. We will use our 3D scene from the previous example and we will add another image point to it. Adding the image point is simple. At first, of course, we need to prepare the image we want to display at our scene. There are two basic rules. The image needs to be in a JPEG format. That's important. Resolution of the image should be at most 3000 pixels per 3000 pixels. Kroscloud doesn't restrict usage of even larger images, but be aware that larger images can cause problems on mobile or other low resources devices. So let's assume that the image is prepared and let's open the editor for the scene we want to add the new image point to. Here open the points of interest menu, and to add new point, double click on a place where you want to create a point. We will adjust the point's position later, so don't worry too much about it. Add new point of interest dialog will appear. Select Image Point tab. Now you can drag and drop your prepared image to the upper area. Or you can click on the Click Here to open File dialog and select the image at the File dialog. Now we need to fill in the title of the image and optional description. As this 3D scene has also Czech translation, we need also provide the title for Czech language. Title is mandatory and is displayed when a user hovers over the image point. The description is displayed over the image itself when the user clicks on the point and the image is displayed. We can also click on icon settings and adjust the point's icon and its size. Now we can click on Save button. The new image point has been created. Now we can turn on the rearrange mode and adjust its position by clicking on it and dragging. Optionally, we can also set a camera position for the image point. So when the user clicks on it, camera will be adjusted to the selected position to align the 3D view with the image. We do so by moving the camera in the editor to the desired position, clicking on the points menu and selecting Set the Camera. And that's it. Now we can go to the public viewer and see our 3D scene with the new image point. You can take a look at this 3D scene and try it by yourself with the link in the description. That's it for this short tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching and see you with another Kroscloud tutorial.